Hey everyone, welcome to English Learning. If you're looking to improve your English skills, you've come to the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to take you through a day in my life, so let's get started. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. It's a struggle, but a good morning stretch helps me get going. The first thing I do is make my bed. It just makes my room feel so much more organized and ready for the day. Next up, it's time for my morning routine. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and do a quick skincare routine. I love using a gentle cleanser and a good moisturizer to keep my skin fresh. Breakfast time. I like to keep it simple but healthy. Today, I'm having a smoothie bowl with some fresh fruits and granola. It's super delicious and gives me the energy I need for the day. Now, it's time to hit the books. I spend the next few hours doing my schoolwork and attending online classes. Staying on top of my studies is super important to me. Around midday, I take a short break to stretch and relax. Sometimes I do a bit of yoga or just go for a quick walk outside. It helps me recharge and stay focused for the rest of the day. Lunchtime. Today, I'm having a salad with some grilled chicken. I love adding lots of veggies and a light dressing. It's healthy and tasty. After lunch, I like to spend some time on my hobbies. I love painting and playing the guitar. It's a great way to unwind and be creative. In the afternoon, I catch up with my friends. Whether it's meeting up in person or having a video call, it's always fun to chat and hang out. Exercise is a big part of my routine. I try to get in a workout at least a few times a week. Today, I'm going for a jog in the park. It's a great way to stay fit and clear my mind. Dinner time? I usually have dinner with my family. It's nice to sit down together and talk about our day. Before bed, I like to wind down with a good book or write in my journal. It helps me relax and reflect on the day. Finally, it's bedtime. I try to get to bed by 10 p.m. so I can get a good night's sleep. And that's a day in my life. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Good night.